Hello everyone, welcome to our 7th video of our Golang series. In the 6th video, we have discussed regarding the if-else statement. If you haven't watched this thing, please look into that one and came to this video, right? Today's we are going to discuss about the switch statement, right? In here also we have to discuss some more important things, right? Please do the continue practicing when I am teaching, right? Okay. I will define a variable called I value with 2, right? Then I will print the value of the I like in this, right? Here, this is the value of I, right? Then if I want to write a switch, there is a keyword called switch, right? Then we want to pass the I here, right? Then within the braces, right, we can type the cases, right? If the case is 1, then we can print this is 1, right? If the case is 2, then we can say 2, right? Likewise, we can write the switch statement here, right? Case 3 like this way, right? 1, 2 and 3, right? This is the way how we can write the switch statement in Go, right? I will run this one, then we should get the output as 1, right? It can because I value is 2, then it come to the case 1, right? In here another thing was that we don't want to mention the break statement here, right? It comes to 2, right? Value of I is 2, right? We do not want to mention the switch with break, right? We don't want to mention the break statement here, right? That is very important thing. Yeah, another thing was that if you want to add multiple expressions, we can use commas, right? Like in this I will do some example here. We can simply, I will print this one, if empty dot println, right? We can get the current time, right, using this function time dot now. Time is the package, we want to import that one, and we can get the current time here, right? In here you can see current time here, right? 2023 October 30, today's day, right? If I want to get the current weekday, we can simply add dot weekday, right? Then we can get the today's weekday, right? It is Friday, right? Then I can add this statement to switch, right, with the multiple expression. Like I will do this is example here, switch, right? Then I get time dot now dot weekday, right? And then I will add the case, right? If the case is time dot Saturday, or time dot Sunday. Then we can simply print it's week, right? fmt dot println it's a week, right? We do not want to add this braces, that is the reason I am put that one to show you. We do not want to put that braces, the case state, right? We want to put a colon here without using the braces, right? In this case, it check the case is Saturday or Sunday, right? Then it will print the case. This it is weekend thing, right? Another thing also, we can add default statement here. If it is not going to this one, it goes to the default condition and then it will print the fmt.println. It is a weekday, right? I will print that. It's a weekday, right? I will run this one. In here you can say it is a weekday, right? Because today is the Friday, now it is a week, right? Likewise, we can add that. I will demo that one as well, because if you are otherwise if you are getting confusing, time dot Friday or time dot Thursday, right? Then I will print fmt dot hello, right? Now I run that one. Now we should want to get hello as an output, right? Because today days was Friday, right? Okay, this is a very important thing, right? When you are writing the switch case statement, these things you want to practice, right? And then we can simply use switch as a if else statement, right? I will write an example for that one as well, right? Switch without an expression is an alternative way to express if else logic, right? I will define a variable called t, right? Then I will let time dot now, right? Then switch t, right? I pass t value to switch, right? Then if we want to add in some conditions, we can add this one, right? Now we want to write the if else logic using switch, no? Then we do not want to add the expressor in this t, right? Okay, now I will write this way. Case t dot hour, right? We can get the current hour. Less than 12, I will print fmt dot println it's before no, right? Otherwise, we will add default statement. Default, we can print this one fmt.println afternoon, right? I will run this one. In here you can see it's before noon because current hour, I will print the current hour, fmt.println t dot hour, right? Current hour is 6, and then it say it is before noon, right? Okay, then in the switch statement, this one is also very important, right? What is that? A type switch compares type instead of values. You can use this to discover the type of an interface value. Like in this way, right? We are use reflect function to identify the types, right? But using the switch, we can do that one, right? I am writing that one as well. I create a variable called what I am, right? Then I will add the function here, function. Then we can pass any thing here, right? That's why I am adding interface. These things I haven't teach you yet, but I will simply explain these things. This is a function declaration, right? I is the parameter. This one is the interface. Then we can type integer, strings, boolean, anything here, right? Like if we are using the interface keyword, we can add anything, any value, right? Like string, boolean, integer, likewise, right? Then we can simply check switch, right? In the expression, I am checking t I. In this way also we can get the type, right? I dot inside the parenthesis, I am typing the type keyword. Then I can get the type, and then we can type the switch. How we can write the case statement here? I am first write the case as bool, then I am print the fmt.println simply bool, right? And I am adding another case statement as well, right? Case in, right? fmt.println int. Likewise, you can check those values, right? In here, right? And then if it is not bool or int, I can add the default here, fmt.println don't know the type, like I can see, don't know the type. I will put this one and print the t. Alright, then I will simply call to the function using this variable what I am, and then I am passing the true, right? What is the output? It's a bool, right? And then what I am passing the int. It's int, right? Then what I am passing the ChamiViews. What is the output here? It says I don't know the type, right? I will add I have added this one, right? If we you want to highlight that keyword in different way, you can add that one, right? no problem there. Okay, these are things that I want to mention here, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to my channel, right? And share this with your friends, right? These things are very important, right? When I'm discussing the function related thing, I will explain these things in more detailed way, right? But these are very simple thing. I have teach you in the simple way, right? Then I will conclude this tutorial today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.